What's up, guys? I just want to show you guys my thought process when planning out a trade and how important it is to always have a plan before you enter a trade and sticking with your plan. You could see here, Solo had 3 great days. You could have profited on this. And even on the 3rd day after this spike up and it's starting to break down and we're starting to see the backside of the move, you can still profit off of this. So real quick, always bring up FinViz to see what the stock's float is, 10.75, the average true range, which is 0.49 cents, and go from that. Now I'm looking at this on the 3-minute chart. I planned it out right here with 450 pretty much as my main support, $5 as a resistance level. We can see here after hours and right at the end of the day when we had this big sell-off down right here, it was having resistance after it bounced up here at $5. If it's 506, 510, I'm going to round it to the nearest dollar. So 510 is going to be $5 main resistance. And keeping that in mind that this has an average true range of 0.49 cents. The next day, this gaps down on a very, very small offering. The offering was like for 250,000. This started to move back up to this 450 area right here. And as soon as this opened up, it spikes up to almost $5, comes right back down to this 450s level, and then slowly starts to grind, making higher lows and lower highs, forming this wedge right here. Connect the dots. You put your risk right here at the break below of 440 right here. As it slowly starts to grind up, you get in at 450 with a price target at $5. This is a 5-to-1 risk versus reward versus risk. This is an ideal trade that you want. More reward versus more risk. I got a risk of losing 10 cents if this doesn't work out. I got a reward of 50 cents if this does work out. Get in as it's starting to make higher lows, forming this pattern. Some people like to wait till it breaks out of the pattern. I don't like to do that because what if it's a fake out breakout and then it drops back down? See, if you got in right here at 470, you got 30 cents of risk right there. If you get in at 470, you got 30 cents of risk. You only have room to profit of 30 cents. So really that's like a 1-to-2 risk versus reward, which is not pretty good. As this grinded up and it finally popped up, put a limit sell order at, I wouldn't want to put my sell order right exactly at $5 because that's where everybody and their mother is going to put their sell orders. So I'll be different from everybody and I'll put a sell order at like $4.95 or $4.93, something odd and different. That way I pretty much guaranteed to get filled because people like to stick to whole numbers. $5, $5.25, $5.50, $5.75, $6. Every 25 cents, every 50 cents, every dollar. So I thought I'd just make a quick video and show you guys my thought process. And always look at the daily and then the 65-minute, the 30-minute, 15-minute, 10-minute, 5-minute, 3-minute, 2-minute. Work your way down in these stages, looking at the big picture and zooming in. If I go to the 15-minute here, I found 450 to be main support. I could see it bottomed out here right at 435, 440, but I like to round it, like I said, to the nearest whole number, major number, which is 450. You can see it bounced off of it and it popped up. Its average true range is 0.49 cents. It popped up 50 cents, just like that. And you can go back and see right here as well. It bounced off that and popped up to this level right here, which is 50 cents.